This is one, on this I should be bigging up myself, you know. Yo, me are the big deal, you know. This is one of them skinny line, me survive the streets, you know. Me survive all the things, father. Well, me have to big up myself, what I say. Another one. Yo, the people, they say, ah, skinny line, you can't leave the place, father, you see. Give me one signal before you leave it. Yo, Jaja. Me no know, give me the Almighty Father. On this I tune and no crowd of people me feature. My idol. The man who inspires Skinny Lion to touch the microphone and do the reggae thing. Because me could have done the hip hop. Me could have done the amapiano thing. But you know, the Black Danger effect put on the Iron Man. Just to know the man is closer like I am. The man coming from England, the man coming from Cape Town and blooms from South Africa to the international. You see? So you know what me could do with you. And the man inspired me through the West Sound and Power. Through the West, cause the man of the farmer man still, you know. You have to so Black Danger are the good example of that, no kind of people. So the man, on this I tune me future, Black Danger, you know. Me idol. Yo people, give me the round of applause, you know, kind of people. Me did it with Black Danger. Easy. And I forgot one thing, Skinny Lion was there on Honor the Catch of Fire. Last year on March, you see, I was one of the winners there on the challenge, you see. We're battling with the reggae artists across Mzanzi. We made it through, Jaja, me and Jakul and Mvazindini from the Eastern Cape. Yo, that was a big thing. Yo, give me the thing, my lord. This is one of them. The Almighty Father, the God of our fathers. You the ruler among the heaven and the earth, yo. You the king of heaven and the earth, yo. One thing about life, I don't funny business, brother. When pressure rise, poverty will make you sell your brother. Now for me friend them, yes, them are falling to the victim of the streets. Yes, that's all of my friend them there, but they kept them behind the walls. Now for them are dead, them are fallen victim. Put the streets. Give me the Almighty Father, Jaja. Yo, fire, Jaja. You don't want like so crowd of people. Yo, AGP, let up yourself, my brother, you know. Easy. You got over, Father. Business, brother. When pressure rise, poverty will make you sell your brother. Now for me friend them, yes, them a call them to the victim of a street. You're just a victim of a street. Got no plans for the future. All of them are shooters, got no goals, got no dreams. All of them are shooters, just a victim of a system. You're just a victim of a system. And when the angry very hating, they committing a crime and left people in a tears and end up in jail. They're just a victim of a street, yo. You're just a victim of a system. One little nigga piss, them running from police. One little nigga piss, and I touch them like a fish. One little nigga piss, them fill the prison house. One little nigga piss, another one dead and buried. My father, the Almighty Father. You the ruler of the heaven and the earth. You the king of heaven and the earth. My father, the Almighty Father. You the ruler of the heaven and the earth. You the king of heaven and the earth. Our Father who art in Zion, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come on. Thy kingdom come on earth. Thy will be done on earth. Our Father who art in Zion, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come on. Thy kingdom come on earth. Thy will be done on earth. Now stand and make a prayer now. Protect I. When the city turn redder than red, put it up. Let the fire them a blaze beyond mistake every day. From the streets and goodness abundance, of such an absence, only evil vengeance, incarceration and assassination. To all my brothers who are living on this street life, this is my Father, the Almighty Father. To the ruler of the heaven and the earth, to the King of heaven and the earth, the forget of my Father, the Almighty Father. To the ruler of the heaven and the earth, to the King of heaven and the earth. Heavenly Father, I thank you for the gift of this new day, for the shelter Yeah, people. Yeah, me give thanks for the life and the start of them, you know. Me here to come and introduce myself, you know, crowd of people. Otherwise, my music is available on all digital platforms, you know. You can find Skinny Lion on Spotify, YouTube, anywhere you get music, you know, crowd of people. Just say Skinny Lion, and they got the EP that is out, you know. Get Your Voice. Yes, this is the one that is behind this a single name, Almighty Father by Skinny Lion and none other than Black Dillinger. Well, right now.